Come tomorrow, customers of Caribbean Broilers CB will have to pay more to purchase the company's goods. A 5% increase was announced by the company earlier this week. And as you'll hear in this report from Dwayne Anderson, some customers are already dreading the price hike.
Customers gathered at a farm store from early Thursday morning to buy chickens and feeds before the price increase for Caribbean Broilers products takes effect Friday. Most of these people are small-scale chicken farmers, and they are dreading the hike in prices.
Brethren, you discourage about you have nothing more for do. You understand? You just go on and see if better will come one day. You understand? But I lose is your face.
What me see in our country, it not run good because farmer go down little by little for the chicken thing.
Some of the frustrated farmers explained that they're already dealing with big losses.
You just come in like a little gambling, you have a $2,000 or so you say, boy, you need a bag of feeding. So you know, go take you and drink liquor with a man on the road. You understand me? So right here now, not much of the funny because you have to pay a light bill, you have to pay a water bill, pay somebody to help you, plus chicken at the same time, you understand? So it's sticky.
When the chicken then pass off, our chicken then dead, they have to learn to reverse some of the chicken then to the big company, and the big company reverse it back to the small people them. Because sometimes we might buy a 50 chicken, by the time the week's to over, 25 dead out of it. So the small farmer is out of business.
The feed, every day, almost every 2 weeks, the feed raise, and the chicken raise up, and the price of the chicken now raise.
It is why they cannot absorb all of the imminent increase.
The small farmer have to pass down the price to the buyer, to the small people, them shopkeeper them.
Retail suppliers believe the increases are destroying the businesses of small chicken farmers.
Sales gone down because farmers are coming out of the business. The margins are already small, and so they're cutting it very close. So you have to be keen on management of these farm animals that they purchase from us, especially the baby chicks.
Caribbean Broilers explained that the 5% price hike is because of increased input and shipping costs caused by COVID-19. The increase is for all of the company's products. CB line of products include chickens, pork, sausages, eggs, and animal feeds. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.